Hi, this is Lori with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker, and I'm standing in our newest listing at 29 Lincoln Street in Agawam, Mass. This is a special home. We're going to be holding an open house on Sunday, February 22nd from 11 to 12:30 if you'd like to stop by and see me. Or if you'd like additional information, you can send me an email at team@teamgabriel.net or reach out to me at 860-926-5101, and we can answer any questions you have.
Location